Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Dezola Designs. Today I have a fabulous giveaway for you guys. 5 skeins of big twist yarn. I hope you like blues and grays. I put this together. I don't think I've ever given away this kind of like muted palette before. It's really pretty, and I'm sure someone can make something super spectacular. This would actually be a great granny square project, like a wearable or even a shawl in rose. I don't know. You guys are very creative, and I like seeing what you do. You guys, I have not been feeling well at all. I've personally never felt this way in my life. I just have like literally zero energy, and I've had a migraine since November 23rd. The doctors really are dumbfounded. I've taken every kind of medication and no relief. So these are just symptoms that I'm just going to have to live with the next 2 months, and hopefully my uterus, a tumor shrinks down and everything, and then I get everything taken out. I just have some health things going on, you guys, so just bear with me. Trying to make videos, but I know I need to be upbeat, and if not, I'm not upbeat, then I won't make a video. So today is a new day, different day, and yeah, so I have this video or this giveaway that I'm going to do in a second, but first I want to talk to you about my Christmas WIPs, my finished WIPs that I have done. These are actual tutorials that I did in years past. I actually found my bag with all of them, so I was kind of excited. This is, you guys, this is like the easiest garland you can make. It's just Christmas garland. You can put it on your shelf. You could put it around your tree. You could put it in your car. You could put it wherever. It's so easy to make. I will have all the tutorials linked down below, but this is a Christmas garland. Of course, you can make it with any yarn. I made it, I had a roll of the Super Saver yarn, not Super Saver. This is sugar and cream yarn, so it's the cotton yarn. But it's super, super easy to make. It's literally just, I think, a chain 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets in the same stitch. Super, super easy, you guys. Check it out down below if you would like to make it. There's still time to make stuff, you guys. It's not the end. I'll do that later. This is another cute thing that I made last year. It's a little gingerbread house. Really, really cute. I love the way it came out. Again, super easy. I have the tutorial down below. Another great thing I have to make, I never tucked that strand in, is this hat. If you want to make a shell stitch hat, this is the one to make. Super easy. This one is super cute, super comfortable. I used the Basic Stitch by Lion Brand yarn. It's kind of crazy how I remember. I don't know why I've never tucked that in. But again, I'll have the link down below. The shell stitch beanie is so cute. I should wear that. It's actually really cold here. Another thing, and I think I'm going to do this. I think this is a really good idea to do. I made this. This is the Wreath granny square. This I made with the Hobie Amigo yarn, and then I think I used the paint box yarn for the little berries, but this one came out awesome. I have been very slowly working on the Rudolph granny square. I know you guys wanted to see that, and I will have it out hopefully in a couple of days. Here's the ear, here's the antler. I literally just have to make the face, and I think that's it. So I'm almost done with it. But you guys, I just, you know, my health this year has just been not good. But anyway, what are you gonna do? You know, when I get it done, I get it done. I think this would be a cute project to just do over the course of the year. Then you guys could make, that would be so awesome. just to make a like a scarf or a wearable granny square project. You can make shawls or wrap, whatever you want. I think that that would be a really, really cool thing. One thing that I have been working on, and I really want to thank the person, and I don't know who it was, but they suggested like really focusing on how I do my stitches regarding hand pain. So now I literally do not move. I try not to move this hand, and I just work this hand, and it has done wonders. Because what I was doing is like just pulling it, and as I pull it, I created tension, and that is what caused the pain. That's what causes the pain. But now I can crochet at least, you know, for an hour, which is better than no hour. But this is the project that I am loving. This is the Gathered Spikes stitch. I don't know if you guys, oh yeah. So gorgeous. I actually just need, I think one more row of this side. It's just gonna be a simple sweater, oversized sweater. I'm just going to let the pattern do the work here. It's super stunning. I'm using the Ferris wheel yarn by Lion Brand. It's so gorgeous and so soft. I absolutely love it. So I'm doing a tutorial on this. This actually took me some time to get the hang of the pattern, but I totally have it down now, and I can break it down super, super easy for you guys. So this will be out eventually, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is my daughter's creation. She made the gingerbread house. I thought that that would be a nice little addition. I remember one time I made a gingerbread house, and in like a day or two it got covered with ants. But hers has been spared. I'm really happy for that. So let's get to the giveaway, you guys. Thanks so much for listening to me babble. The giveaway is 5 skeins of Big Twist Value yarn. Everyone knows this is Big Twist Value right here. This is one of my favorite yarns. It works up awesome. It's super sturdy. The color saturation is gorgeous. And it's just an overall awesome yarn to make. So each skein is 380 yards. It's a 4-weight 5mm hook. This color is called white. You get a lot of yarn, and you can also get this on sale for like $2. I got this for $2.50. So it's really, really cool. This color is the dark denim. I'm really liking these colors, you guys. These are so beautiful. This one is sky blue. Really pretty. And this one is denim blue. So gorgeous. And then I also have, what color is this one? Medium gray. That is the giveaway for you. What do you have to do to win this? All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You guys, most of you are subscribed, and I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so, so much. Remember, when you see one of my videos, if you could please just hit that like button, it helps me tremendously. So all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed. It's totally free. And then all you got to do is answer the following question. And the question is, remember, all the links to my WIPs are going to be down below. The question is, what is your favorite kind of cookie? This is gingerbread. I love gingerbread cookies. I also love a really good chocolate chip. Trader Joe's makes the mini ones. The chocolate chip ones with the like more extra chocolate chips, those are absolutely delicious. I love those cookies. Really, any kind of cookie that is put in front of me, I will probably eat. We have also the shortbread cookies. Those are delicious. So just let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite cookie is, you guys. Thank you so much to everyone who bought bracelets from me. You guys are awesome. I am taking a little break from that, but I am getting fabulous new beads for 2023, you guys. I'm so excited about that. So I hope everyone's doing well out there, and thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to each other in the next video.